This is RC Masterworks and I welcome you to another build. This time with a Tamiya DT-04 Next Gen. I want to give you a brief overview what's in the video. I do a quick unboxing, build the gearbox, insert different pinion gears and how it affects the ratio, assemble and fill the dampers, finish the back end, set up the electronics. I do a lot of painting, final assembly, fine-tune the RC car, showcase the final result, and do a test drive on an outdoor carpet track. So let's get the thing unpacked. The Tamiya DT-04 is an off-road buggy, and it already comes with a speed controller, torque-tuned motor and oil dampers. I'm gonna replace the plastic bushings with ball bearings. It always surprises me how much stuff is in that package. Instead of a Lexan body, we get this ABS plastic body parts. It comes with a sticker sheet where you can select different color schemes. But you will see later that I do a custom painting. Building the gearbox is straightforward. I just have to make sure that all parts are greased up. Here you see that I fitted the 17 teeth pinion gear, and with that you get a gear ratio of 9.28 to 1, which means the motor has to turn more than 9 times to get the wheel spin 1 time. Let's try that out. With the stickers you can better see how the gears spin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a bit. Let's change to 19 teeth pinion gear and see how it changes. The pinion gear should now spin around 8.3 times to get the wheel spin 1 time. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a bit. That means a bit more speed with the 19 teeth pinion gear. So coming back to the build, it's time to attach the arms, the axles and the bulkhead. For the dampers I just show the back dampers. I'm using the soft damper oil which comes with the kit. Have to make sure that there are no air bubbles inside and that the damper is closed tightly. I decided to use these optional mounting points to give me a bit more flexibility on mounting the dampers. I realized that the kit gives you the option to change the rear upper arms to adjustable ones. So you see me assembling them and replacing the existing upper arms. So moving to the front end, I like to sort the parts so that I have them easily available. I use this blue box, which is called a servo tester, to see that the servo is functioning properly and also center it for assembly. In the manual it is mentioned that the connection of the servo needs to be 5 degrees to the right of the center. The cables which are passed over to the other side get covered by this aluminium glass tape to protect them from inserting the battery. Now it's time to connect the back end. There's a small space for placing small on-off switches onto the chassis. Now let's get into painting the body parts. Here you see all the white parts that I'm painting. First I'm gonna apply a white primer. There will be black parts on the helmet. The body parts will be sprayed in orange and the edges highlighted with yellow. Also using gold for the helmet and the gloves. Got myself new colors for skin. And apply a tiger pattern to the body. Here you see me priming all the pieces white. After some time to dry, spraying the body parts orange. To mask the body parts, I applied those stickers with the tiger pattern. Here I'm following the edges with the masking tape. Now taking every body part and finish the masking. Here's the result of this process. I also masked the helmet to be ready for painting. Now spray everything black. Let's see if I did a good job with the masking. I think it turned out really well. But how do you like the paint job? Let me know in the comments. Back to the spray booth, apply some flash color and the gold for the helmet. I also decided to paint the rims gold. Going to place the sticker on the steering wheel and also using the stickers for the eyes. I'm also painting the mouth, although I know that nobody will ever see it again. Here I realized that I forgot to place the nut inside the helmet, so I need to take it apart again to get it attached to the body. So coming back to the stickers, I decided to only use a few on the body parts. So here we are putting all the parts together. So what you have not seen is that I put a coat of varnish over all the parts to have them protected. I'm using a heat gun to get the bubbles out. So first startup and inspection. You see that it needs a lot of fine tuning to get the car going straight. Luckily everything is adjustable, so it's just a matter of time to get everything set up right. And here we are, everything adjusted for the first run. But before we take it outside, let's do some glamour shots. Enjoy! I had the chance to test run this on an outdoor carpet track. A big thank you goes out to MFR Morsheim for letting me run the car on the track. I realized that the tires from the kit are more suitable for sand and gravel and not for carpet tracks. So you see me struggle to keep the car on the track. Next time I have to come back with some different tires which give me more grip. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as me producing it. Please consider to like and subscribe. See you next time.